So first we have constructed the base, that is BC of the 7 centimeter. So now we will draw here base with the 7 centimeter and name it BC. For the next point, draw ray BX such that angle CBX is equals to 75 degree with the help of compass. You have to make the angle with the help of compass. We are not going to use directly protector or D. Okay, see now how will you make? Take B as a center, more than half of the radius, cut the arc. Now from this intersection point, if we cut the arc, that will give you 60 degree. Now from 60 to next, it will give you 120 degree. So this is 60 degree. The next one is 120 degree. Now we have to make the 75 degree. So first from this arc, we will cut the another arc to make the 90 degree. As we are not going to construct 90 degree, so we will join the lines as a dotted line to get the 90 degree and the intersection of arc. So this is the dotted line we have joined to get the intersection on arc. So this is the intersection of arc. So 90 degrees constructed. And now if you see here, we need 75. So 75 is 60 plus 15 degree. Now see. So this is the 60 degree and this part is 30 degree. So we need bisector of this part. So again, we will take our compass at the intersection of 90 degree and 60 degree. And we will draw the another arc from both the point. So this is the intersection line. Now join to get the ray BX. So this is your ray BX with the 75 degree. So here we have written that with B as a center and the radius 13 centimeter, that is the sum of two sides. So that's why I have written here sum of two sides for your reference. Sum of two sides, cut an arc on ray BX. Cut an arc on the ray BX. Name it D. Point, we have named it as a point D. So this is the intersection on the ray BX and name it point D.
Sir,
So now from the C, we have constructed the two arc on the both side of the CD. One is here and the second is this one. Now change your center with the same radius. Take D as a center, cut the previous arc. So this is the intersection. So when we join the perpendicular line, na, this is the perpendicular line. That the perpendicular line will intersect the BD. So this is the intersection point at the point A. So just write here a point in this one. So how we construct the perpendicular bisector? First we have taken C as a center with the radius more than half of the CD. We have constructed arc. So you can see here in red line, red color. Now change your center with the point D, cut another arc that will intersect your previous arc. Then join the line. So now we have the point A also. So we will write here join AC. So when we join A with the C, with this AC. So you can say there, hence triangle ABC is required triangle. So this is the triangle ABC that we have said it here. See here. In when we compare the question, na, here the base is given. Base, then base angle is also given, and sum of two side is given. This is the basic rule. How can you identify whether you will follow these steps of construction or another type of the steps of construction? So see here, we have already drawn here BC, that is the base. Then B, it means the base angle, and this one is the sum of two sides.